What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have got an awesome upgrade this week for our teardrop camper. We've had our teardrop 6 years. A couple years ago we upgraded to lithium with a 100 amp hour battery, and it's been great, no issues. But we're partnering up with Renogy again, and this is an industry leading new technology. This is a 240 amp hour solid state lithium iron phosphate battery. So tons of power. It says solid state. It's not completely solid state. It's more of a semi-solid state. It is fire retardant, IP67 rated. It can be technically completely submerged in water for not very long and survive. You can blast it with fire for 10 seconds or less and it will be fine. It is self-heating, so you can now charge this thing down to -4. It has 6,000 cycles on it, which is incredible, and that is much higher than a standard lithium battery. And it has a 7-year warranty. That is also much higher than a standard battery from other companies. So you're getting some incredible value and new features for the price. Really nice hard metal case. It's got 2 communication ports right here. If you hook more than one of these together, it's got a Bluetooth receiver here. Longer Bluetooth range than most batteries. Really nice heavy duty terminals. It's got a couple little handles here. It is lighter than other batteries this size. It does weigh 56 pounds, so it's not, you know, super light, but really nice, kind of a small package. It's about 9 inches tall and 9 inches this way, 16 inches that way, roughly. Don't quote me exactly, but we're gonna get it hooked up in our teardrop. We're getting ready on a long trip. We're getting ready for a long trip down south, so we're gonna get hooked up. It's gonna be an awesome upgrade. Tons of more usable power. It has a discharge current of 450 amps at 30 seconds, 3,072 watt hours, and it'll charge and discharge down to -20 degrees Celsius. Like I said, 6,000 cycles, a 10-year lifespan is what they're saying on it. That's twice as long as the average lifespan of a lithium battery, more cycles and everything. It is also 20% smaller than a typical battery this size because of the semi-solid state, and about 20% lighter. So that's a big deal, guys. More usable power and more usable space for you. So it's about 70% less liquid electrolytes, so it's hybrid semi-solid state. It has a multi-level BMS protection. The maximum continuous output is 3,072 watts. So if you have some heavy duty stuff like a hair dryer or coffee machine, stuff like that, it'll handle it. 3,200 watts of peak output for 60 seconds, which that's a big deal when you first turn something on and you have that surge of power. So this is the Renogy S1 Pro. There's a 120 amp version and a 240 amp hour version, and we're going to get this thing put in and hook it up. Real simple. I'm going to probably mount it standing up in the teardrop. It does come with brackets that you can attach here if you were mounting into wood or something like that. So fits in there real nice. Still leaves us room for our other stuff. So that's it. We got it hooked up. Fits nicely in here. Still can put all our other stuff. It shows you the app connects. 99% charged, 99.7. Shows you the status of all 4 cells. Voltage. Gives you the max and min temperature on the battery currently. Error codes. Heating module status. It tells you what you're currently using. Present capacity 243.78 amp hours, so it's a little over what it's rated. And total discharging watts, remaining time based on that. And that's it. So really nice, quality, heavy duty. You can't go wrong with Renogy. We've used their products for years now, solar panels and other stuff. I will put a link below with a discount code and all the information on it if you guys want to get one yourself. It's a little bit more price than you might find, but this is a top quality brand and a top quality battery with some new technology in it. So you're going to get what you pay for. It's going to last a long time. We will update you, of course. And well, you guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on the Renogy battery. It's about 6 weeks after I first recorded the video installing it. We have gone on several trips. We did a 5,000 mile trip down to Florida and back, and it was really warm, so we relied on the battery a lot to run the fan inside on max power and the lights and everything, because we did not have electricity. So the battery's been great, no problems at all. We are really loving having the extra capacity, and the Bluetooth feature is great. You can check on the power and everything else. So self-heating, we're not gonna really be needing that right now this season because it's already spring. But so yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update. It's been great. Check out the links below and let us know what you think about Renogy and this battery. So we'll see you on the next one. This thing will probably be in our teardrop for the next 5 or 6 years, hopefully. So reach out to us if you have any questions. Give us some comments if you have Renogy stuff. What do you think about the brand? And we'll see you guys on the next one.